Everyone, this is Akhilesh Kumar Bind, PGT English, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Tengravali. I hope you all will be fine. Hello students, before going to begin our topic, we have some questions for you. Now listen carefully and answer these questions. Dear students, what is the main source of getting information about what happening in the country and in the world? After this question, we have second one. When we read a newspaper, what are the things which attract us? Third question is, can you tell what is a poster? Which we have already studied in our class 11th. Think properly and answer these questions. When we read a newspaper, there we find such type of images. Now have a look here. What is the purpose of these images? Now think about this and also see this image also. Here you can see the title, beautician, yoga, music, all. Okay. So dear friends, these images are called advertisement. Don't be confused, because we see such type of things in the market or at some other places which are poster also. Okay, these are posters, but here these are in newspaper. Remember this. If these things are newspaper, these are called advertisement, because here this image conveys the information or gives information about doctors. Okay, about an institution where you can take your degree to become a doctor. Is clear? And the same here, some information about beautician, where is this, what you can do here, how you can get job, like all. Okay, so in our this class we are going to deal with advertisement. Okay, so our topic is advertisement. Now, what is an advertisement? Listen carefully. The word advertisement means a public notice or an announcement asking for or offering services. Advertising for buying or selling property, household goods, vehicles, etc. Is clear? This is simple definition of an advertisement. Okay, so the word advertisement means a public notice, which you have already seen in the images, or an announcement asking for or offering services, advertising for buying or selling property, household goods, vehicles, etc. Advertisements are also used for giving information about missing persons, pets, goods, and so on. So dear friends, keep this definition of advertisement in your mind so that you can differentiate between poster and an advertisement. It's clear? Now you can easily say, what are these things without any confusion? Okay, so these things are advertisement, but now compare. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images in one slide and one image in another slide. So dear friends, now think and compare. what are the differences? What are the differences between the first slide and the second? Think about this. Dear friends, the first slide gives example of classified advertisement and the second slide gives example of display advertisement. In this way, our advertisement is of two types. It's clear? First is classified and second is display advertisement. It's clear? There should be no confusion. Okay, I will tell you what are the differences, how these are different to each other. It's clear? Don't worry about this. But now when you see in the newspaper such type of things, now at once differentiate which one is display and which one is classified. Now you can say, now see this one, wanted rights. Wanted rights. Now see the space, you can see the space, and now see here, this is also advertisement but this is display. Now see space. Okay, so what are the differences? I will tell you later on. Only know the differences here, simple differences. When we see at once, we can recognize which one is classified and which one is display. It's clear? Yes. Now we have another slide. Now see types of advertisement. The first is classified advertisement. See this, wanted rights, education. Okay, so these are classified, and this is second one is commercial or display advertisement. It's clear? Now you can easily recognize which one is classified and which one is display. It's clear? So on the basis of some differentiation, we divide advertisement into two. Okay, first is classified and second one is commercial or display. It's clear? Dear friends, first of all, we will deal with classified advertisement. Now listen, what are the objective of classified advertisement? The objective of this advertisement is to convey more while paying less. They are brief because they are charged per word or per column line or according to the space they occupy in a newspaper. It's clear? This is the main objective of classified advertisement. It's clear? After this, we have types of classified advertisement. Listen carefully. Number one, situation vacant or wanted. Sale and purchase, property, vehicle, household goods, etc. To let, missing, lost and found, travel and tours, matrimonial, alliance, appeal, education. Okay, these are types of classified advertisement. It's clear? These are some features of a classified advertisement. Listen carefully. These are categorized according to the subject matter and different classes. These are more economical as they occupy less space. Language should be simple and concise. These should compose of short phrases or words. While drafting classified advertisement, we should focus on this point. Composed of short phrases or words. Okay, these are main features of a classified advertisement. Dear students, while going to deal with classified advertisement, we should keep some points in our mind. so that we can deal classified advertisement effectively. Is clear? The first point is draft in such a way that they attract the readers to go through them. The first point should be like this. Is clear? This should be meaningful and interesting. And third point is about language. The language should be simple and effective. And our content, our matter, subject matter should be brief and only to the point. And after that, we should also write name of advertiser and product should be highlighted. And one more point is about word limit. The word limit is only 50 words, okay, because it carries only 4 marks. That's why don't exceed the word limit. It's clear? And classified advertisement, this is very important, as you have been informed about the objective of classified advertisement, because this type of classified advertisement is very economical, because here per word, per column or per line is charged. That's why don't exceed the word limit. It's clear? Dear students, this is the format of a classified advertisement. Now see this. First of all, we write a heading, as in the first image when I began, there was written beautician or yoga. Okay, so first of all write heading, and after that content, then address or email or phone number, like these things. You will get example also, so don't worry about this, but know the format of this classified advertisement, okay, because we get 1 or half mark on format. So don't make mistake, keep this format in your mind. It's clear? This is the marking scheme, how we assign you marks. Now listen carefully. This is a marking scheme of advertisement. Listen carefully. As I told you just that we get 1 mark on the format. That's why remember this, there should be a suitable heading, a title, okay, as a classification on the basis of types of that classified or display advertisement, okay. As for example, situation vacant, if you write in this way you get 1 mark, okay. And remember, these should be in a box. And after that we write content, here subject matter including contact, address, phone number, etc. okay. Subject matter, we should write here the matters related to that topic as situation vacant. It's clear? There we get 2 marks. And expression, what we observe in expression, grammatical accuracy, spelling, suitable style, okay, and there we get 1 mark. So this is simple marking scheme of an advertisement. It's clear? My dear students, now see examples of classified advertisement, okay. Now see these: wanted female receptionist, wanted a senior merchandiser, okay, here accounts and finance. So these are examples of classified advertisements. It's clear? You can take help from these. How to start, what points we should focus, okay. As you know, nearly we have 9th or 10th types of classified advertisement. So this is the first situation, vacant or wanted. So what content we should write? First of all, in the format, start with required or wanted. Okay, start with required or wanted like this, and then qualifications and experience, required, professional status, name of post and number of vacancies. Okay, and here personal traits, essential requirements and age, pay scale, perks, mode of application, email, hard copy, by post or courier, and company name. Okay, so these are sample example of situation vacant. Okay, the question is asked like this. So one more example for you. If you get such question in our question paper during our board exam, so answer in this way. Is clear? This is another example. Okay, friends, this is the second type of classified advertisement, that is sale or purchase, okay, of property, vehicles, households items. What are the details required when we deal with sale and purchase? Okay, so remember these details. Start with sale, purchase are available, wanted, fitting and fixtures, financial aspects, area, type of property. Okay, all these things. If that is vehicles, so it is or available, wanted, vehicle type, mode, year of manufacturing, okay, mileage and condition, color and accessories, fitted, insurance, all these things. Okay, and here is example. Now this is the third type of classified advertisement. If the topic is to let, suppose we give our house as for rent, so that time these are details are required while dealing with this type of classified advertisement. Start with available, wanted, types of accommodation to let or required on rent, brief description of the accommodation, size, floor number of rooms, etc., fixture and fittings, location and surroundings, rent expected, agreement required, contact address, email, phone. Okay, and this is example. This is for missing. Okay, so suppose this if you are going to give information about a missing person, so draft your classified advertisement in this way. Is clear? This is another type of classified advertisement, and such type of questions oftenly come in our board exam. So don't miss this. Lost and found. If we have to draft such type of advertisement, so what are details required? Now listen carefully. Start with lost and found, as in this example, lost and found, and then begin with identifying yourself. Who are you? As Ranveer Singh. Okay, and then specify the item lost, found, giving its brief description. Okay, so what item you lost or found, so give a brief description, and then tell when and where you lost or found that. Okay, and then if you lost, so announce for reward, if any, lost or only. Okay, if that is lost, suppose you lost something, your good things, so there write reward, and don't write in the case of found. Okay, if lost, that time only write reward, and then contact address or email, phone, and this is example. It's clear? Dear friends, This is another type of your classified advertisement. Now if that is about travel and tours, so take example. Okay, what are details required? So write these things there. Okay, and this is example. If there is about matrimonial, so draft your classified advertisement in this way. Okay, as for example, bride wanted. So what are the things which are required? So take help from here. Okay, appearance and age, education, professional qualification, service, profession, income, age, height, complexion, caste, subcaste, religion. Qualities sought in partner. What qualities you want? Email address, end with box number, care of the daily optional, mention bride wanted or bridegroom wanted. Okay, and this is the example of a field. Okay, so draft your classified advertisement in this way and take help from this. This is the last, that is related to our education. Dear friends, sometimes such type of questions come in our board exam, so don't miss this. So if there is education related, so what are the details which are required? Name of the institute, eligibility and fee structure, job prospects, placement, address, phone number, email, courses offered, time duration, discounts offered. Okay, so and these are examples. Sometimes this type of questions come in your exam, that's why don't miss this. Okay, now in next class we will deal with display or commercial advertisement. Now today we dealt with classified advertisement. Now for this we have one question for you. Okay, this is question and complete this task. Okay, you are general manager, Hotel Amma, Paltan Bazaar, Guwahati. You need a lady front office assistant with sound knowledge of computers. She must be a graduate and good in communication skills with pleasing manners. Dropped an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in Purvanchal Prahari Times. It's clear? This is question, or you can say home assignment for you. So complete this. And in next class we will deal with our display or commercial advertisement. Dear friends, I hope this audio lesson will help you to understand advertisement and classified advertisement and its types. Okay, if any doubt you can ask me without any hesitation. Dear friends, in the last, I thank you and I hope it will help you.